Are you a tech professional or business owner who feels overwhelmed by your financial situation? Equity comp, taxes, cash flows, and identifying the right investment strategy, it's all a lot to deal with. That's why if you're at the point where you're saying to yourself, there's just so much to manage, or maybe I'm worried about the legacy I'll leave behind, we get it. And we're here to help. Imagine living a life where you're not just building wealth, but truly living your legacy. At Franklin Madison Advisors, we believe in more than just a financial plan. We help tech professionals and business owners just like you tame their financial chaos. So you can say, I've taken control, and I'm on my journey to financial independence. Get a handle on your cash flows. Navigate GSUs, RSUs, and stock options with ease. Optimize tax strategies. Plan for both early and traditional retirement, and establish your legacy. With our holistic approach, you don't just plan for the future, you master it. Franklin Madison Advisors. Become the master of your own financial independence journey.